Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Tech Insights with Dylan White. Today we're going to dive deep into and really broad into the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure OCI Multi-Cloud Architect cert. Why I kind of want to keep going on the path. Last week, as you guys may have known, maybe it was even a week and a half ago, I passed the Oracle Cloud Foundation cert. It was rather straightforward, super easy, and I think a lightweight introduction into a cloud technology. And so for a lot of people that ask me through different social channels how to transition and what the easiest way is, I think Oracle is a really easy way to get into the industry and to at least find out if it's something that you even enjoy, right? Do you want to be a cloud administrator right out of the bat? I think cloud administrator is a lot easier for people to kind of broach and get to versus cloud engineer. A lot of people will be like, well, I want to be a cloud engineer. I think that's more of a 3 or 5 year goal than a, hey, I'm transitioning from being a data analyst or being, a customer success person, right? Like, it's easier to transition in tech if you have easier goals, right? I think a cloud administrator with Oracle could easily be reached within 6 to 9 months with the right approach and doing the right projects once you actually get the certifications. So I thought let's find out what other certifications that Oracle has out there. And then also Oracle has right now going on a journey and challenge, basically getting free certs, right? They're giving their certifications away for free. So it's a race to certification challenge, and they give away the Cloud Foundation certification. It's always free for a lifetime, but the Architect Associate certs are also free. So I wanted to choose one that I thought was more relevant to even me, that I want to go for. So I saw that they had a Multicloud Architect Associate cert out there, and the multi-cloud that they choose is actually Azure. So I'm very excited about it, and I wanted to kind of show you guys the overview of it, what's going to be on the test, some exam topics. So let's dive in. Alright guys, let's take a look at what is going to be needed to pass the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure 2023 Multi-Cloud Architect Associate cert. Alright, so a lot of words, but basically this is a multi-cloud cert, and this is their website. All the links will be included. The cost, if you don't get it within the cert challenge, is $125, which is still less than even Microsoft, so I think it's so great entry level cert. 60 minutes, multiple choice only, 65% to pass with only 30 questions. I think that's really low barrier to entry among all the certifications around. So Oracle's definitely the choice I still have for those that want to break in and get in quick. So recommended training, Oracle has a really good training academy from what I saw from the first one, so I'm excited to see what they have for the next one. But they have a course on becoming OCI Multi-Cloud Architect Associate, so we'll open that here in a second. But let's review the exam topics that we're going to cover. Right, so what is multi-cloud will be 10% of the exam. Core OCI services will be 20% of the exam. Multi-cloud connection options will be 30% of the exam. And Oracle database service for Azure will be 40% of the exam. Right, and it even has the questions down here, right? So under introduction to multi-cloud, right, we'll understand multi-cloud and its benefits, explain common multi-cloud use cases and their implementation in OCI, core OCI services, right? So federate OCI identity domains with other identity providers, implement and manage VCN components, administer OCI database services such as base databases, autonomous databases, and MySQL database, multi-cloud connection options, understand OCI multi-cloud connectivity options such as site-to-site VPN and Fast Connect, then implement OCI Azure Interconnect. Oracle Database Service for Azure, explain the prerequisites and onboarding options for Oracle Database Service for Azure, configure common Oracle Database Service for Azure database management tasks, implement Oracle Database Service for Azure. Straightforward, but lots of questions in there, so I'm excited to see what they put on the test, because obviously 40%. So with 30 questions, we can assume that we're going to have at least 12 questions on Oracle Database Service. We're going to have at least 9 questions on multi-cloud, so Fast Connect, site-to-site VPN, and implementing Azure Interconnect. We're going to have 6 questions on federating identities, VCN components, and more database questions. And then obviously the introduction, right? We're going to have at least 3 questions on some level of these, right? So it's pretty straightforward. Only multi-choice options, multiple choice. it's really straightforward. So for me, taking a takeaway from this is going to be some things I really look forward to is how we can integrate more with Azure, right? I'm big on Microsoft, if everybody knows. It's what I do every day. So how the integration works, how that database works, I'm really excited to see how that actually works in real life. I'll probably even make a video on it during this challenge. I have about 23 days to do it, so I'm excited. The database service itself, I'm very excited to see. And then I'm really excited to kind of dig in on how their actual configuration with identity goes. I do a lot of identity access management myself, so it's another one I'm very interested in. So I'm excited to do some of those takeaways, and so I think this will be a very good certification for those that really want to take the step further than the foundation. I want to apply some of that to practice. I think within 2-3 weeks it should not be too difficult. So let's see what the actual learn modules look like. So you have the join array certification.
Welcome to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Multicloud Architect Associate course. I am so glad you are here. This course is designed to help you understand how to implement multi-cloud solutions in OCI. My name is Samvit Mishra and I am a Senior Principal, Training Lead and Evangelist at Oracle University, and I will be covering Identity and Access Management as well as OCI Azure Interconnect modules in this course. We have an incredible team that has collaborated to bring you this course. I am joined by Sergio Castro, who will cover multi-cloud introduction, OCI networking, and multi-cloud network connectivity modules.
I think tomorrow we're going to start right away with
Rashmi Panda.
videos. Let's see what we're going to learn first. Usually the sound picks up right off these, so I'm going to pause it. Alright, sweet. Sound didn't pick up. So multi-cloud, right? The use cases, I love the fact that they include skill checks. Identity access management comes through in a walkthrough and a demo. Federation concepts, another demo, right? With Azure AD even, which is really cool. And then a skill check for that. So I'll probably try to get through all that tomorrow. So definitely check back in on that video tomorrow and the day 2 of OCI multi-cloud with Oracle and Azure. Until then, thanks for watching.